Okay, so this is a tutorial on how to use the revolve tool in Illustrator in order to create a 3D object. Shared with you on your Google Drive folder, you have already got this template set up, and so I'm just going to walk through the different processes on taking a 2D sketch of your, or a 2D line work of your image and turning it into that 3D one that you see over here. First thing is you'll draw the different components using the line tool or using the shape tool, just like we've got here. Choose the color that you want each of these different line components to be, and you can do that by clicking on the stroke and choosing whatever color you like. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to divide your 2D sketch in half. So in order to do that, what I usually do is I press Apple R, and that brings up these rulers that come across here, and I just drag one of the rulers across like so, and I snap it so that it's in the middle, like this one over here is. Once you've got that, you can select your line work, and it's just a matter of taking the scissors tool and going along and cutting at those different intersect points until you have cut it all in half, and then you delete one side of it. So by the end of it, you should have something that looks like this one we have to the side. We can delete the guide once you've finished that. The next stage is to select all or some of those shapes and go up to Effects, go to 3D and Revolve. If you click on Preview, it will show an example of what your design could look like once it's been revolved. You can once again play around with the angle that it's on if you wanted to, and you can play around with options as well in terms of where your lighting's coming from, how big your highlights are, those sorts of things, and then press OK. Over here we've got some objects that we want to bring to the front, so for this one we can just right click on it and go Arrange, Bring to Front, and that's going to bring the different parts to the front so that we can see them. And so there you've got, really easily, you've got your 3D form, and you can have it on whatever angle would suit you best.